just extremely crazy looking. Wow, I like this sound. It's just out of this world. This is too loud. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with this. In today's video I will be presenting you this Lamborghini Urus, completely redone and modified by Novitec. So join me today. I will be doing a full exterior walk around. Also the interior is a custom made one, very special. And the sound, we will be listening to it, is extremely loud and you will be enjoying it a lot. So let's get on and let's talk about this car here in specific. The base of this is the normal Lamborghini Urus. And as you see, Novitec, they've put a wide body kit on this. They didn't work on the performance, so we're still talking about 650 horsepower. Still the same V8 by Lamborghini. We have the wide body kit installed on this, some new wheels, an exhaust system. The exterior paint is called Grigio Nimbus, is also from the factory. It's a nice silver color tone, which I love in contrast with the carbon fiber and the red details here on this car. But let's get on and start with the walk around. As you see in the front, this car looks way more muscular and way more sportier than the stock version, as Novitec has added a lot of additional parts on this. Starting from the bonnet here, the entire bonnet is done by Novitec and I just love the nice red details here. The carbon fiber material and quality is just perfect. Also here in the front, these entire intake parts are all done by Novitec. A nice red details yet again, the front bumper, and as we have an additional front part which makes the car look way lower as the real one. I mean, this is just extremely crazy looking. Also when you look at the side, we have an additional body kit with the wide body here, makes this car so much more muscular. I mean, the proportions of this is just crazy. Also here on the side, you can instantly see they've worked on the entire body of this. All the parts are done by Novitec. Here the side part, carbon fiber, wide body, painted in exterior paint, and the wheels. Here we have the forged Novitec wheels for the Lamborghini Urus. These are 23 inches. We have a nice full black gloss finish, and the carbon ceramic brakes here are finished in red. I just love the look of these. They just fit and look extremely nice on this full car. Here on the side, yet again, a few more additional Novitec parts. On the side skirt, the side mirrors are also finished in carbon fiber, and as soon as you have a sneak preview here on the interior, you can also see they have worked on the interior and it looks crazy. But let's focus on the exterior and let's finish this off. On the side, yet again, we have the wide body kit, also with this nice touch here, making this look like an intake, but it's not. All in all, in the rear again, 23 inches with the black forged Novitec wheels for the Urus. Guys, the wheels look absolutely nice. But now let's talk about something that I also love a lot, and it's the rear, guys. Just look at this. What a crazy looking thing. I mean, the Lamborghini Urus itself is just extremely good looking without the parts, but with these parts, this thing looks absolutely crazy. It's just out of this world. First of all, we have this roof spoiler here, full finished in carbon fiber, made by Novitec. Then in addition to that, we have this additional roof spoiler, again, full carbon fiber finish. Is a three-piecer. We have the center one and left and right one, this additional part, and it just looks very nice. We also have this carbon fiber part here with the Lamborghini initials finished in red to complete the entire look. And the rear diffuser is also redone by Novitec. Unfortunately, no carbon fiber, but full black gloss finish with the exhaust tips finished in like a square and looking way bigger than the stock ones. The sound is phenomenal, and these are real, as you can see. These are real exhaust tips. So all in all, guys, how do you like the exterior of this Lamborghini Urus by Novitec? I think they've done a great job, and I love the color tone on this, in addition with the black wheels, the black and red details. Talking about red details, let's talk about the interior. Here we also have the key. It's still the stock one. Unlocking the Urus, and it's now time to step inside this crazy interior. Just look at this. Yeah, guys, and this is one of the craziest Urus Lamborghinis I've ever seen in my entire life. The entire exterior, I mean, they've worked and redone it. Full wide body kit, all the additional carbon fiber parts, but also the interior as special as the exterior. Looking at, for example, the interior and the door panels first, full red leather trim. This is all done by Novitec. You have the red stitching, nice white lines. The finish of this is just very nice. We also have this nice stitching here. The floor mats here are finished in normal floor mat material, also here with the leather and the Novitec initials. The seats are very special, but let's just jump inside and let me just give you a closer look. So we are inside the Lamborghini Urus. Let me just start the ignition right over here. There we go. Wow, I like this sound a lot. So guys, as we are inside the Lamborghini Urus and the sun is also shining inside here, the red color tone, the leather tone looks extremely nice and crazy. I mean, just looking at the seats first, we have the perforated leather with the nice Lamborghini details here with the Italian flag as well. The Novitec details also on the headrest. The full finish is like a full red, and then we also have a nice white touches also in the inside. Everything is finished in this red leather, the dashboard, the center console, everything as you can see here. And also the steering wheel is a custom made one by Novitec. This feels super sporty in my eyes. It's a flat bottom and flat top, full carbon fiber on top and bottom, and the red leather also here on the airbags. We have a red, white leather and an additional red leather again with the Lamborghini emblem. Feels very, very good. Talking about the roof, guys, we have some perforated leather here, and in addition to that we also have the roof lights, which give this car a nice and luxurious touch. In the rear again, red leather with the white leather in contrast. I just like it a lot, and the quality of the materials used is just perfect. I honestly like it a lot. But now guys, as we are talking about the Novitec here, as I mentioned, there is nothing, as I already mentioned, Novitec hasn't done anything on the performance, but on the sound. The exhaust on this is just crazy. And as soon as I start it up, guys, you will be all shocked and surprised, because this thing sounds like a monster, like a real monster, guys. Okay, are you ready? I will be lowering the windows first. We will be also listening to the sound later when I jump outside. Guys, let me just put the car into Corsa. Okay, and now foot on the brake, put that up and start up this beast. Wow. Okay, let me just rev it a bit, okay? It's way too loud, listen. Wow! This is crazy. Look, even in lower RPM, look. You hear that? This is too loud. Honestly, this is way too loud. And I don't think that it's illegal in Germany. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to bother anyone here. Let's just jump outside and let's do another sound check, and then we'll finish it off. It's way too loud, guys. So guys, as promised, it's now time for a sound check from the outside. Listen up, the sound on this is just crazy. Just listen to this. Oh my god, guys, have you ever heard something louder than this? This is by far one of the loudest SUVs I've ever heard in my entire life. This is just crazy. Even as soon as you have a closer step here next to the exhaust tips, it's just so loud, guys. How do you like the sound? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comment section. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like this Lamborghini Urus by Novitec? The exterior, interior and the sound. I want to hear all your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you very much for Holman for letting us film this today. If you're interested in buying this is literally for sale. Just check out their website, Holman International, in the description. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.